Now this exercise is one of my favorites. It's abdominal curls. So that's going to create a nice flat tummy for you. And again, it's going to help protect your spine. So let's, with this exercise, it's done incorrectly a lot of the time. So let's do it really slowly, carefully, and make sure, as I said, you've got your tummy exposed so we can see whether it's actually working properly. So the abdominal curl, which is going to work, obviously all our abdominal muscles, it's a very effective exercise. So I want you to lie on your back, feet hip width distance apart. Good. Now bring your hands behind your head, but generally I like to put them behind your ears, so you're just touching your ears like that. Keep your shoulders really wide, shoulder blades back and down, chin tucked in. And as you come up, you really want to think about your T-zone activating, and you're breathing out as you come up. Breathe in, come down. Breathe out, come up. Now you're looking at your knees, the top of your knees. You're breathing out as you come down and in as you, you're breathing in as you come down and out as you come up. Really switch this on and this on and this on. And don't bring the elbows into the side. Hopefully it's going to create a nice flat tummy. Yes. 2 more to go, you can do it. Think of those swimmers in your bikini body. Good work.